Hey there, I'm Lauren and this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals Challenge, where we're sharing weekly food challenges to inspire you to eat well in the new year.
And this week's challenge is to enjoy eggs at dinner time.
Yes, and when we're talking about eggs are protein packs. There's 6 grams of protein per egg. They're also nutritionally dense, so they contain the 8 essential nutrients. And then they're also portion controlled, which is really, really nice.
Exactly. And fun fact, the color of the egg, whether it's brown or white, doesn't impact the flavor or quality or nutrition of the egg. White eggs just simply come from hens with white feathers, and then brown eggs come from hens with red feathers.
Yes, and we know that there are lots of different options when you're looking at eggs, and one of our favorites are Eggland's Best Eggs. So these hens are fed an all vegetarian feed, so really their feed is more nutritionally dense, which results in a more nutritionally dense eggs. So these eggs are higher in vitamin D, they're higher in omega-3s, and they're a little bit lower in saturated fat.
Yeah. Awesome. And if you're looking for some ideas on how to incorporate eggs into your dinner time, we do have lots of recipes on our meal site, including this pizza frittata. We also have shakshuka and migas and like sheet pan hash.
Yes.
Super delicious.
Lots of easy ways. So we're excited to see what you come up with making eggs this week.